How to create a video with Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create a video using Canva. So let's get started. We will simply open up our Canva, and the link for Canva will be given in the description down below if you do not have Canva. So what you have to do is, once you click on the link, get your pro version, then you will land right here. So we can create different things on Canva. We can create our own videos and presentations, but today we're going to be creating a video. So to create a video, you will find the option right here, and it will allow us to create a video which is going to be 1920 by 180. We can also set a custom size from this option right here. Simply click on create blank canvas and it will take you to your canvas where we will be able to create a video. When it comes to creating a video, Canva has the same blank canvas for us that we get for our presentations and for our photos, but you can see that we get a time span right here that allows us to check that what is the duration of our video, and here we also get the timing. Then the other features are the same. We get elements, upload, text, background, and more. So let's start with the video. What you can do is you can select a background for the video. First, what you have to do is simply set a time. Let's say that I want to create a video for 10 seconds. So I will simply adjust the time. We can actually create more than one scenes within Canva. So this is my scene 1 for 10 seconds, and I can also go ahead and add a new page and adjust the time for that one as well. And this is going to be the total duration of our video. So I will simply go ahead and actually delete page 2. Simply right click, click on delete page, and now we only have one scene. In this scene, I can add different elements or go with a template. On Canva, we get a lot of different templates to choose from, and we can search different templates according to different keywords. We can filter our search by this feature right here, and we can select a color or a language. So I will simply go ahead and work on a blank canvas so that you will have a better idea. But even if you go with a template, all you have to do is simply select the template, add the page, and then customize the text and footage. I am working on a blank canvas, so I will simply go to Elements. In Elements, I will go to Videos, and I will select this video right here. All you have to do is click on the video and it will be added to your page. Now I will adjust it and make it as a background. There you go. I can also go ahead and add the text now. Simply go to text, add heading, type in your text. Similarly, you can adjust the text, you can change the color, font, and the size of the text as well. Then we have an upload option right here, and in upload, we can simply go ahead and upload different footage to add to our video. We can also record ourselves now to add to our video. We can also add a voiceover and upload it from our Dropbox. If you already have videos, you can simply go ahead and upload right here and then add to your existing video that you're creating on Canva. If we go to backgrounds, then again, I can select a solid color or a picture for background as well. But right now, I am going with this video. If we go back to elements, and I can go ahead and add different graphics. Similarly, I can add stickers, photos, charts, and whatever I want to by just clicking right here, and it will be added to my video. If I have added an element, I can animate it, flip it, crop it, or change its position. I can also make it transparent or delete it. So once you have added all the elements to your video, you can get a preview from this button right here. So this is the video that I have created. And there you go. This is how you simply create videos using Canva. Now, simply click on Share, Download, and it will be saved as an MP4 video. So yeah guys, if I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.